Evening all, thanks for tuning in. Finally back under the peach tree here again, but it is freezing out. As you can see, I got my hood up. I'm gonna have two of these bad boys tonight. Beautiful peach pods from Rada Farm, number 35. Have a go at that little fat bad boy. Crazy looking pheno, number 35, and I'm going to have number 36 as well. I've got so many pods to eat at the moment. I'm going to have to start doing doubles now. I presume Troy probably wanted me to do these separate because it's off two separate plants, but I've got to eat the two of them now. This one's, it's starting to go a bit soft already, and so is this one at the bottom of the tail. I don't even think I want to leave it for another 24 hours. But these were only picked last week, so I think that the peppers that have been growing under the lights over winter, they don't last very long. You got to eat them like within 7 days. But anyway, I'll go pod number 35. It's really good to actually be able to have a chili instead of being in the garage. Look at the state of that thing, man. Crazy looking pepper. Right, let's go. This has got a little star on the back, so I'll have this one first. See how we go. Birds in the background again, I love it. Perfect time of the evening to get lit. Peach pepper unknown cross from Rada Farm. Here we go. Still crunchy, but just, I know how these pods go. They can go from being crunchy to completely soft within 48 hours after being grown under lights. Plenty of oil in there. Heaps. Well, that's immediately hot at the roof of my mouth. I think I probably should review this separate because he needs to know how hot. Or do I just eat it? I don't know. I think I'll get away with eating this one tomorrow night, guys. I think I'll leave it. I think I'll... This one's got a star on the back, so usually when that's got a star on the back of the number, it's something special. That's number 36, so I think I'll keep that for tomorrow. It is a bit soft, but I'll do a separate review because that is a hot pod. Getting some fruitiness now. As soon as I bit into that, that's why I let it build for a minute. Plenty of drool. All I got was a bitterness with extreme floral. But I'm getting a bit of fruitiness from it. It's not fruity like a red pod. It's fruity like a peach. Yeah, I think I'll leave that till tomorrow night. Should be fine. It is so cold out here. Got my eyes a little bit yet. I look a bit tired on camera, guys. Sorry, I'm a bit tired this evening. That's a hot pod for a peach. Wow. Holy heckers. That's a screaming hot pod for a peach. Woo! That is way hotter, and I mean like so much hotter than a big peach mama. As a blistering tongue burn right now. Roof of the mouth, back of the throat, that's a screamer. I'm glad I'm only doing one because I don't want serious cramps tonight. Wow, that has got one of the most intense tongue burns so far this season, right there. Wow, Troy. Whew. Oh yeah, that's got the most intense tongue burn of anything I've had this season. That is brutal hot on my tongue. It's also getting the back of my throat and the roof of my mouth. So much drool. It's making me breathe heavy. That's the hottest peach pepper I've ever had in my life. Wow. Wow. What the hell is that? I presume that's just off a different plant, same cross, different plant. But you're not going to get much hotter than what I've just had. Not for a peach. That's hotter than your Moruga X. That's way hotter than a big peach mama. That is insanely hot. Wow, I was not expecting that from a peach pepper. That has got me good, brother. Real good. Whew. No endorphins or anything, but it's just the intensity of the burn on the tongue. That's the most intense burn of anything I've had this season. Yeah, from anything that you've sent, and that's only a peach. That's tongue burn, I mean. It's not too bad at the back of my throat, but I'm struggling with that on my tongue and the roof of my mouth. That is ridiculously hot. By far, I don't even, after 3 minutes, I knew it. It's the hottest peach pepper I've ever had. Big peach mama is like eating a jalapeno to this thing. Oh wow. I'll tell you what, I think I'm getting a bit lightheaded. I am. I'm feeling a bit fuzzy in the head. So that's an 8. Holy shit. Holy shit. Whew. Oh, mate. That has wrecked my tongue so bad, bro. Good man. Keeper. Keeper. Bitter at the start, extremely floral, fruity to finish. That's the flavour. So for a peach pod, not bad. 6 out of 10 flavour, 8 out of 10 heat. I've got to give it an 8. I have to give it an 8. It's made me feel fuzzy. Pepper burp. Ooh, very fruity pepper burp. If that's the same pod, mate, that's one of the hottest yet. Now, I said in the video the other day, I don't think I'm going to be able to get to an 8. With my tolerance. But that peach has got me more than those 2 chocolate pods. What an afterburn. That is amazing. The dizziness is gone. Not dizziness, but fuzzy feeling in the head. Not a massive endorphin dump, but it made me feel a bit funny. Oh. I don't know, I'm going to eat this tomorrow night. See how hot this is, but for my tolerance, brother, right now being as good as it is, oh boy, that's hot. That is wrecking my gut already. And I've just had dinner. There's some seriously high capsaicin levels in that pepper. I don't know how peach pods test on the Scoville scale in a lab. I've not really heard of anybody testing a peach pepper, but that's got to test high. That's the hottest peach I've ever had. It's not the hottest pepper I've ever had, but it's up there. That's blowing me away. I don't know what else to say. 6 out of 10 for flavour, brother. An 8 out of 10 for heat. Even though it wasn't a big endorphin rush, anything that makes me feel a bit funny is an 8. This thing, my friend, is brutal. Well done. Keeper. Good flavour for a peach. Sorry I'm waffling on, but I've got to give a long afterburn when it deserves one. That's wrecking my guts. I'm going to have to go and get some relief in my stomach. What a pod. Unknown cross, I don't know what it is. But just to give you an example, Troy, of how hot it is. If a big peach mama is hot, a big peach mama has got nothing on that what I just ate. Now, that might have been a freak pod. Sometimes you eat a pepper that's come off a plant, especially in F1 stage. We've got to see how this goes tomorrow night. But I might have just got a freak of nature, because that thing has wrecked me. I'm not lying. Wow. Keeper, 2 thumbs up. All the good stuff down here. Rada Farm. Go and check out his seed selection and his chili products. Tell him JD sent you. Check out my chili friends as well. And I'll catch us on the next one. That was an absolute screamer. I love it. Cheers.